this video, we are going to see how we can connect the Zapier integration with the SQ form builder. So, for the first, you need to select the form with you are integrating the Zapier integration. Okay, so here in third form, we are going to integrate the Zapier. So first, edit this form. Go to the integration. Here you can see the Zapier integration. You need to add the Zapier API. So let's see how we can create the Zapier API. First, you need to log in into your Zapier account. Here you can see the Zap automated workflows. We need to create the Zap automated workflow. When you create the first Zap automated, so here you can see the trigger and action. So first we need to select the trigger. Here you can see the webhooks. We need to select the webhooks. Here you can see the change options. So you can change if you want to any, but no, we are going to use the webhook by Zapier. Choose the event catch hook, then continue. You can skip this step. Then you can find the Zapier API here. You just need to copy this and paste here. Make sure you enable this checkbox and then save. Our Zapier is integrated. Let's see how this works. So we need to test this trigger. This trigger is getting the API data or not. So let's first fill the form. Okay. Then click on submit. You can add the file as well. Okay. Our data is submitted. So let's check the trigger into the Zapier. Here you can taste this trigger. See, here you have found one request. You can see all the data which we have submitted in the form. Because all the data is here. So let's see if you want to save this data in the Google Sheet integration. So first we will create the first sheet. Here you need to create a heading for this. Let's suppose we are adding the columns for you can create a column for each entries. Okay. Then continue with this selected record. Now we will create with the sheet. If you want any other action, so you can do this. Let's create the sheet. So first here we need to connect our Google account. Then choose an action. So we need to add a row every time. So create a spreadsheet row. Then we need to select the Google account. Then we need to select drive, spreadsheet, and the sheet. This sheet is the sheet ID, this one. If you have multiple sheets, so you can choose according to. Then here you can see all the columns which we have created here. You just need to click plus icon and select which entry you want to show here. then continue. Here you can see everything. Now let's taste this step. See, you can see we have found every data here. Now you can publish this. That's it. Now when users submit the data, you can see the new entry here. Thanks for watching.